In the previous class, we learnt about a mouse as parts of the computer. Today we will be learning about the system unit. The system unit counts, calculates and stores what we type into the computer. It is also called a CPU, Central Processing Unit. A system unit is the main part of a computer which includes the motherboard, CPU, RAM, and other components. Components of system unit. Some of the components in the system unit are Random Access Memory, RAM. The RAM allows data items to be read or written in any computer system. Compact Disk Read-Only Memory, CD-ROM. It is used to read data encoded on a compact disk or DVD. Hard disk. A computer hard disk is one kind of technology that stores the operating system, applications, and data files such as documents, pictures and music that your computer uses. Motherboard. Motherboard is the backbone of the system unit, is the board where all the components of the system unit connected to. Cooling fan. It takes away all heat absorbed from the engine using coolant. Processor or Central Processing Unit, CPU. The CPU is the brain of the system. It is a complex set of electronic circuitry that runs the machine's operating system and apps. Power supply is the device that supplies electricity power to the computers. Floppy disk drive. A floppy disk is a storage device used to store documents. It is also called a diskette. So, a system unit is a metal case that acts as a guard of the electronic components of the computer.